Welcome to everybody, dear students. How are you? I hope that you are all well by mercy of Allah. I am also fine by grace of Allah. Dear students, we are going to discuss today about completing sentences. You know that completing sentences is a special item of SSC learners. Dear learners, look at whiteboard. There are 10 sentences which are all incomplete sentences. Let's start our class. In the first sentence, I have written that the lady speaks as if. We have to complete this sentence. In the first sentence, we see as if, as though. That means coach. This incomplete sentence means that the lady speaks. The lady speaks as if, as though. We have to use another clause which completely the sentence. We can use in this sentence an unreal past tense as a clause, such as the lady speaks as if or as though. She were a man. She were a man. Dear learners, it is called unreal past tense. If we see as if, as though, then we have to notice the previous part of as if, as though. If we say verb is present from after then clause, we have to use verb past form. If we see first clause, that means the previous part of as if, as though is passed from past indefinite form, after then clause past perfect we have to use. Dear learners, above all, we should know that when we see as if, as though, at first we notice the incomplete sentence, incomplete part, if it is a present form, then we use past from. And we notice the incomplete sentence, we see, if we see past from, after then clause will be used past perfect from. Okay, dear students, let us in the second sentence work first lest. If we see in incomplete sentence using lest, then we have to use a complete clause using modal verb should, might, could. Okay, such as lest means negative sense. So in this case we can see in incomplete sentence lest, after then we should use subject, modal verb, base form of verb, and then extension, such as you, subject you, should, modal verb should, miss the bus. Dear students, already we have learned that if we say using lest in incompleting sentence, then we have to complete this sentence. At first we have to use subject plus modal verb should, might plus verb base form of verb, and then extension according to previous sentence part meaning. Okay, dear students, then look at the sentence number 3. We see that this example, no sooner had they reached their, no sooner had, scarcely had, hardly had. When we see no sooner had using in the incomplete sentence, then we have to use then and a clause of past indefinite, such as then, according to meaning, the incompleting sentence we have to choose the right words. such as no sooner had they reached there than the train left. Then the train left. Okay, dear students, let us discuss example number 4. This example is if you read modes. If, conditional if. We know that if is condition. That means if you do this, if you do this, if you come to me, if you go there, if you read more, such as. So when if is used in incompleting sentence, in incomplete sentence, at first we should notice if combined sentence, which verb is used in this sentence. If the verb is present from, after then clause, we can complete in the two ways. Number one, by using present, by using modal auxiliary verb or present form of verb, such as if you read more, this clause you will get a plus. Okay, will, modal auxiliary verb. Or if you read more, you can learn many things. If you read more, you can succeed in life. Dear learners, okay, let us in the fifth example. This sum is so difficult that so that. That means so very, that relative pronoun. Now if we make meaning this incomplete sentence, then we can solve this sentence, we can complete this sentence by using such a clause. This sum is so difficult that we can not solve it. Okay, Okay, a negative clause by using moral auxiliary verb. Okay, dear learners, in the sixth sentence we can complete this sentence the opposite clause, such as though he is poor, though he is poor, he is honest, he is honest, or he got a smartphone. Okay, the students, after this sentence, after then sentence, it is high time here. It is high time when is used in incomplete sentence. After then you have to complete a clause of unreal past tense, such as you went to school, you went to school. Okay, the learners, at last we are going to finish today's class. You should practice again and again, because it is said that practice makes a man perfect. Everyone, stay well. See you again in another class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.